everyone, I am home. I'm gonna show you the state of my room right now because my parents have been like basically leaving stuff here for me to go through. I'm gonna show you. So that's how my room is looking like right now. Yep. Stuff is everywhere. Wish me luck with cleaning this all up and going through it. Okay, so the plan for me while I'm at home is mainly to correct my thesis because I've seen my like promoter and I need to correct some things and I have a week to do that. But other than that, I do want to go through the stuff that are here a bit because it's everywhere. I'm surrounded by things, you know, so I would like to go through some of it at least. Hello, it is the next day. I haven't done anything yesterday with the stuff here, so I thought I will start something, even though it's kind of difficult to figure out where to start, but I need to start somewhere. So I think I'm gonna start with like putting away things that I know I'm gonna be taking to Belgium. That way I don't have to look for a place to put them away. So that's what I'm gonna start with, and we'll see what else I can do. Soon we have to go actually to the city to pick up my mom from work and also to some shops. So I'll do it like a quick sweep through my stuff, but yeah, we'll see. I'm just back home. I bought 2 small boxes which I'm gonna make, but now it's time to eat something and then I really need to tackle the mess in my room. Okay, I don't know where to start. I'm gonna start by assembling those boxes. One is done. And the second one is done. Don't know yet what I will keep in them, but I have them. They also like look good enough so I can have them on display. So maybe I need to think what I want to have like on hand with me. Yeah, I'm gonna have to think about this. But I like them. So I thought I would jump on here to explain the clip you're about to see, because I recorded already stuff from like a university party. My university, and actually every other university, each year in May they have like a party. Each university has it on its own, or like kind of in like in collaboration, let's say, with other universities. But mine had it alone, and today was the first day of it. So I went there with my friends. Actually, first we went to one of my friend's birthday, so we met up at his place, and then went to the university party. And yeah, and you're about to see the clips basically from that party, and like also a clip of us driving there. So yeah, I guess enjoy that. And now I'm already back home. Most of the people, almost everyone, they went still out to hang out by the riverside here in the city. But I kind of didn't feel like it, to be honest. So I came back home, and yes, I know I'm boring. No, but just kind of, I don't like to do stuff that I don't want to do, and I didn't feel it tonight, you know, just some nights you just, no. Also, I do have a complaint about the university party. Basically, there was like a main performer, I could say. It's a Polish guy, that an older guy that everyone like loves and knows his songs. So we mainly went to see that. But once that was over, everyone wanted to leave suddenly. And in the place we were at, it was kind of close to the exit. So people started to like, you know, push through and stuff. And yeah, it wasn't nice at all. And like people just behaved like animals, and honestly that part discouraged me quite a lot from doing anything further. Anyway, I'm gonna probably watch something, hop on Skype probably, hopefully, and tomorrow I'm gonna have a plan to clean the balcony so I can sit there outside, because like actually temperature wise the weather is pretty good, and maybe sit out there and correct my thesis further and like add something. So yeah, that's the plan for tomorrow. So good night for now. I'll see you tomorrow morning, or noon, or afternoon. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.